Hey everybody, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered coding with Cursor AI. Imagine having a super smart coding buddy available 24/7, ready to help you write better code, faster. That's Cursor AI in a nutshell. Cursor AI isn't about replacing developers, it's about empowering them. It's like having a supercharged IDE that understands your intent and helps you bring your ideas to life with less effort and more accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just starting your coding journey, Cursor AI can help you become more productive and write cleaner, more efficient code. Intrigued? Let's get started. One of the best things about Cursor AI is how easy it is to set up. Head over to the Cursor AI website, I'll put the link in the description below, and download the version compatible with your operating system. Installation is a breeze. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be up and running in minutes. No complicated configurations or dependencies to worry about. Once installed, you can launch Cursor AI and log in using your Google, GitHub, or email account. That's it. You're now ready to experience the power of AI-assisted coding. Cursor AI comes packed with features designed to make your coding life easier and more enjoyable. Let's take a look at some of the highlights. First up, we have intelligent code completion. Cursor AI goes beyond simply suggesting syntax. It understands the context of your code and provides relevant suggestions to help you write code faster and with fewer errors. Next, we have automated code generation. Need to create a function or a class? Just describe what you need in plain English, and Cursor AI will generate the code for you. It's like magic, but better. And let's not forget about the built-in debugging tools. Cursor AI can help you identify and fix bugs faster, saving you precious time and frustration. Remember those late-night coding sessions with your buddies, huddled around a single screen? Cursor AI brings that collaborative spirit to the digital world with its real-time collaboration features. You can invite your teammates to join your coding session, and they can see your code, make changes, and chat with you in real time. It's like Google Docs for code, making it easier than ever to work together on projects, share ideas, and get things done faster. This feature is particularly useful for remote teams or for students working on group projects. It's a game changer for collaborative coding. Section 5. Your first to-do app. A Cursor AI guided project. Now let's get our hands dirty and build a simple to-do app using Cursor AI. Don't worry, it's much easier than you might think, even if you're new to coding. First, create a new project in Cursor AI and select your preferred programming language like Python or JavaScript. Now let's tell Cursor AI what we want to do. In the code editor, type, create a to-do app with features to add, complete, and delete tasks. Hit enter and watch in amazement as Cursor AI generates the basic structure of your to-do app. It's that easy. You can now start customizing the app to your liking. Section 6. Code. Like a pro tips for mastering Cursor AI. To get the most out of Cursor AI, here are a few tips. Be descriptive. The more information you provide to Cursor AI, the better it can understand your needs and generate relevant code suggestions. Use natural language. You don't need to be a coding wizard to use Cursor AI. Just describe what you want to achieve in plain English, and let Cursor AI do the heavy lifting. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different commands, explore the various features, and see what Cursor AI can do. You might be surprised by what you discover. Section 7. The Cursor AI Advantage. Boost your coding game. Using Cursor AI offers numerous benefits for developers of all skill levels. Increased productivity, spend less time on repetitive tasks, and more time on what matters, bringing your ideas to life. Improved code quality. Write cleaner, more efficient code with fewer errors, thanks to Cursor AI's intelligent suggestions and debugging tools. Reduced learning curve. Cursor AI makes coding more accessible to beginners by providing a more intuitive and forgiving development environment. Enhanced collaboration. Work seamlessly with your team in real time, making coding more collaborative and enjoyable. Section 8. Cursor AI in 2025 and beyond, the future is bright. As we move further into the future, AI-powered tools like Cursor AI will only become more sophisticated and integrated into our workflows. We can expect to see even more powerful code generation capabilities, deeper integration with other developer tools, and perhaps even AI-powered code reviews and optimization suggestions. The future of coding is bright, and Cursor AI is leading the charge. Section 9. Ready to code smarter? Join the Cursor AI revolution. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the Cursor AI website and start your free trial today. Experience the future of coding and discover how Cursor AI can help you become a better, faster, and more efficient developer. Happy coding!